Hello guys, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to talk about inverter and digitizer. So, what's an inverter? It's a circuit board or circuit board that converts the DC power that drives most of the laptop circuits into AC power to drive LCD screens. It is typically a long narrow board located just below the LCD panel. A fixed wire screws adhesive. As you can see in the screen, that's what it looks like. Dim display. So black or dim LCD display might need a new inverter board if the laptop can still if you have a dim display, and your laptop screen has gone dim, what you do is you connect your laptop to an external screen. If your laptop, after connecting it to the external screen, you can see everything. That means the integrated GPU is probably fine, and you need to fix your screen or your laptop screen. So digitizer. So this is part of a touchscreen display that digitizes touches and gestures, typically by monitoring and capacitance of transparent charge conductive layer when a conductor such as finger charges electrical field. So the way a digitizer works, part of the touchscreen display that digitizes touches typically. So basically, when you touch it, if you have a touchscreen, when you press something like to open an application, what that says is it with your finger, but when you touch the screen, it changes the electrical field, and that sends a signal to carry out that instruction. So that's a small video on inverters and digitizer. I'll be back shortly with another one. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.